Today I'll be showing you an easy way to make Paruppu Vada, also known as masala vada or ambode, which is an Indian chickpea fritter that is naturally vegan friendly and gluten-free, and super flavorful. Start with dried split chickpeas. Soak them in water for 2 hours if you're making fried vada, or 8 hours for baked vada. If you're using whole chickpeas, you'll need to soak even longer. Once they're done soaking, pour off the water and add the chickpeas to a blender. It's important to drain the chickpeas thoroughly, or else your batter will be too wet to form into balls for later. Next, add the herbs, curry leaves, dill, and cilantro, and the spices, turmeric, salt, asafoetida, and rice flour, and the dried chilies, the ginger, and the onions. Blend this all up into a chunky mixture. You'll still be able to see some larger pieces of chickpeas through the batter. Now we're going to form it into balls, the size of a ping pong ball or golf ball. From here, you can choose to either fry them, bake them, or put them through the waffle iron. To bake them, space the balls apart on a baking sheet and flatten them to 1/2 inch or 1/3 inch thick. Drizzle them with oil and bake for about 25 minutes at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, flipping halfway through. For frying and waffling instructions, visit the recipe on my website. Serve these Paruppu Vada with spicy ketchup, chutney, or red pepper jelly. Thanks for watching. See you next time.